Hi journeys, welcome back to my channel. So for this year, of course you know each year people set New Year's resolutions. But anyway, for me, I'm trying to be more disciplined with my YouTube channel. So I have decided that every week, yes, once per week, I will be producing one video. It doesn't matter what about, it doesn't matter how long or short, it's really about just getting it done. It's not about perfection, it's just about getting it done. So today I will be cleaning my bathroom and I'd like you to clean it with me. Well, not my bathroom. I live in a shared space, so I share bathroom with one person and after one female. And after working for 7 straight days, yeah, 7 straight days, yeah, but that don't it, yeah. After working 7 straight days, yeah, I'll be cleaning the bathroom, so here goes.
I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. I wanna do the things we say we shouldn't do. I wanna wake up in the morning with someone new. Live life like it's a piece and break the rules. I wanna wake up in the morning.
Won't you come over? Let me get to know ya. Hey, nah, 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 nah. Delve into emotion. Leave us in this moment. in this moment.
So journeys, I'm pleased. It may not be aesthetically pleasing, but I made my first video. So this is my first video of, what is it, 48 for the year. Yeah, I've done it. I've done it, journeys. So I'm working on discipline, right? So I said one video per week, and I'm doing it. I mean, we clean our bathrooms anyway, right? So why not just make a video of it? So there you go. Done. There's a saying, right? Done is better than perfect. Bye, journeys. See you in my next video.